Hi beaders, today I'm going to show you a really fun and easy technique to make these beaded chains. Now, these chains have a look and feel of rolo chain, so it's really nice for your pendants or just on their own. It works up really quickly. I've actually done quite a few of them just in one night in front of a television. I've used size 11 beads on these ones, but they actually look really nice if you do it with size 15 O's. Of course, it will take a little bit longer to stitch up than the 11 O's. For this video, I'm going to stick to size 11 O's so that it's easier for you to see. I'm going to use some Dura thread, and I'm using a contrasting color. You should try to use a complementary color, just purely because of the thread path is somewhat visible due to the nature of the design, so try and use a color that goes with your beads. Now, I'm usually a big Fireline fan, but I felt that Fireline was just too stiff. I have tried 1G and KO thread as well. I'm not a Nymo fan, so I'm going to be honest and say I did not test it of Nymo, but you are more than welcome to use Nymo if Nymo is your choice. Okay, so to start, we're going to pick up 4 beads. Slide them down your thread, leave some tail for your clasp, and then take the needle through the last bead. Pull the thread tight so that it forms a little circle, or it's kind of more like a diamond shape. Next, we're going to pick up 2 more beads. Now the thread is coming out of this bead over here, so we're going to take the needle through the bead right next to it, or just before. I apologize for my finger being in the way, but there's not much to hold on to at this point. Okay, so you just position the beads to sit on top of the previous row. Pick up 2 beads. Again, you're going through the bead just before the one that the thread exits from. Pull your thread across, let it sit on the previous row, and form another circle or diamond shape again with the 4 beads. At this point there's not much to hold on to, so you just have to keep it kind of clutched between your fingers. Again, you add your 2 beads and form a new circle. Pick up 2 more beads and again go through the bead right next to the one that the thread comes out of. These first few rows you kind of have to maneuver the beads a little bit. so that they sit on top of a previous row. As soon as you have a few rows done, then it kind of automatically just sits on top of a previous row. So again, we pick up 2 beads, go through the bead right next to the one that the thread is exiting from. You're just going to continue adding 2 beads at a time. By going through the bead just before the one that the thread exits from. Do a few more. And just continue the pattern of 2 beads on top of previous row. Tighten the thread and repeat. This is literally the entire pattern. Just repeat 2 beads into that bead, this is an excellent project for leftover beads. About 1 gram of beads is all you need for approximately 3 inches of this beaded chain. So if you have just a few grams left, then you can easily make the chain with that. Now look how quickly that worked up, about an inch in a few minutes. You can also do it in 2 colors, and in this case you'll just pick up one blue, one grey, one blue, one grey as you go along, and you'll have a 2-tone spiral. That's basically the whole technique. Attach a clasp of your choice and you have a necklace.